Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to Apna Corner channel. So this is the video for your NILET STQC exam. In this video we will discuss expected cutoff for both the posts, that is your Scientist B and STA. Both exam already they conducted on 5th of December. Okay. So final answer key is out now. I hope you calculate your score and then depending on that I got the responses, and now after analyzing the responses I will share you the estimated or expected cutoff in this video. Okay. So before starting our main video, what is the purpose of my expected cutoff video? This thing is very important, okay, to you to know. So first is with your score, where you are standing, right? This is the main point. If you compare with all our India candidates, then where you are standing right now, okay, this is one thing. Second and most important thing, that what to do next, okay, after getting to know after the expected cutoff, what to do next, whether you should wait for the result or whether you should prepare for the next exam or next opportunity. Okay, yesterday only NILET MITI recruitment opportunity is there. I hope you saw that video and you fill the form. If you not, then you can check that video on the channel, right? So one more opportunity we got, and this is very good opportunity for us, okay, provided by NILET. So that's why don't stick to STQC now. If you are not in the cutoff or you score very less mark, it's okay. Okay, just prepare for next exam, right? Now about NILET STQC paper responses. Before discussing this part, okay, let me show you some video. So this is the last year video, okay, just listen carefully.
Who scored more than 76 marks can start the interview preparation from right now.
Okay, so as you already listened that video, that I already told, those who score 70 above, 76 above marks, okay, those they can prepare for interview. And here you can see the final cutoff which was declared last year, that is 77. Okay, now this type of accuracy I want in my expected cutoff video, and for that I want responses, more responses, because more the responses, then it's better for me to just estimate the cutoff video. Okay, not exactly, I will not ensure you that whatever cutoff I am giving you, this will be 100% true, it will be matched to actual cutoff. No, it is not like that, but I want to go close to the actual cutoff, right? Like happened last year, you can see this is the 100% accurate, right? Now why I am telling you this, because when I uploaded to share your attempt video, okay, then lots of responses I got from you guys, more than 2000 plus message I got, okay. But fortunately this time NILET released answer key very earlier, and for that then after that I again upload the video to share your actual and final score. Okay, definitely 2 to 3 errors are there in your Scientist B paper of EC CAC like that, but we will neglect that. Okay, and then after that what happened, that very few responses I got. I don't know where this 2000 people gone, those who already messaged me with their attempt. Okay, I got enough responses for EC STA, for EC Scientist B. CSC Scientist B, I did not got enough responses. Okay, so in this video I will not include the cutoff, because I want to just to go, okay, go to close my actual cutoff. That's why. So I feel that I should wait for few more responses for CAC Computer Science Scientist B. For STA also the responses are good responses, but still I want few responses more, okay, to just accurate my prediction. That's why I already showed that video, that's why. Okay, so in this video I will not include CAC Scientist B, CAC STA, ITS Scientist B and ITS STA. I don't know where people gone, because very few responses I got, and based on that I can't predict the cutoff. Okay, it will not be useful for this, because what happened last time, as I already show you the video of Scientist B in STA, okay, the responses was less, but due to students demand I uploaded the video and I estimate the cutoff 80 above and the actual cutoff was 91 above. So this thing happened because of less number of responses. Okay, so this time I don't want this, because the thing is that what happens, see, now we don't know when they will declare the result. Okay, it may take 1 month, 2 months. So what happened, that people who are in between 80 to 90, say for example, they will wait for result. Okay, they will not prepare, because I told 80 above, yeah, they will get selection, so that's why they will become relaxed. Okay, this thing I don't want. That's why I will not take risks and I will not just make video just for the sake of uploading. Okay, if that is the case, then definitely on 6th of December only I can make the video of cutoff, but I did not make it, right? So now those who are from computer science and those who are from information technology, in the description link is there, just go. It will hardly take few seconds to share your score. Okay, I don't know why you people just means not interested to share the final score, and if you want to know the cutoff also. Okay, so just few seconds you need to give to me. Just share with your computer science branch. Okay, paper, what is your paper, scientist B, STA, and your final score. Category, if it's up to you. If you want to mention, otherwise it's okay. Okay, there is no problem in that. Same for IT people. So WhatsApp link I am giving in the description. Compulsory go and give this. Okay, after your submission of responses, if I think enough responses I got for computer science and IT, then definitely after 24 hours, means tomorrow 3 to 4 p.m. you will get the video of estimated cutoff. Okay, so if you want to just move ahead from NILET STQC, if you want to know whether you are means you are in cutoff or not, then definitely each and every one of you send me your final score. That is compulsory. Okay, so in this video we will discuss only about electronics STA paper and electronics scientist B paper, because enough responses I got from you guys, so there is no problem in that. Okay. Okay, so first we will start with electronics communication. Before that, basic cutoff of scientist B and STA. So this thing many people don't know. Actually, I already mentioned 1,000 times. Okay, before in the strategy videos already I made in the past. But still, the basic cutoff of NILET you should know before going to the merit list cutoff. Okay, and this is, you can see this table in front of you. So those who are from open, compulsory you should score 39 marks in technical and 21 marks in non-technical. Okay, if you fail in either, means if you are not able to make 39 marks in technical, or if you are failed to make 21 marks in non-technical, then you are out of the race from here only. This is the basic compulsory cutoff. Okay, so first all those who already score, means you already calculate their final score, just make sure this basic criteria is satisfied or not, right? 39 technical, 21 non-technical. Then those who are from OBC, 31.2 technical, 16.8 non-technical, EWS 39, then your non-technical 21, SC/ST PWD 23.4 in technical, non-technical 12.6. Okay, once you pass this criteria, then you are eligible for now merit list cutoff, right? So this is the basic cutoff for scientist B and STA, both papers, for both the post. Okay, now we will discuss about electronics communication STA paper 2021 conducted by NILET. So first we will discuss, let's quickly recap the total vacancies for STA. So for open 14, OBC 14, EWS 2 and ST 4. There is no vacancy for SC category. So definitely all the SC people, I hope you applied in open category, right? You will consider in open only. So total here you can see 34 vacancies you got this year, okay, for STA paper, which is good number. Actually I can say good number, there is no problem in that. And for STA there is final selection is there. Okay, after document verification you will get selected, there is no problem in that. Now let's discuss about paper level of 2021. So here you can see our table which having all the analysis of paper. So this year paper, okay, when I got to know just a few hours after your paper, STA paper, I got responses, and after that I feel that yes, this year cutoff will go surely above 100%, 100 plus marks. Okay, so this intuition came from me after just reading responses and after watching the paper. Okay, I just go through all the papers, and then paper this time was very easy, there is no problem at all. The unexpected thing here was they completely neglect general awareness section, which is not, means I feel this is disappointment factor for me, because lots of efforts, lots of things are just for this section, general awareness. Okay, they completely neglect it, and they include 3 to 4 questions of English language. So this is the unexpected thing in the non-tech section. Okay, so I hope you feel also same after watching the paper, but still we can't do it. Definitely they have every right to just make any section null or any section above more marks, right? So this is in non-tech. Otherwise, quant and reasoning is of good level. There is no problem. 3 to 4 questions of English also good. 1 to synonym and Indian questions are there. Okay, if you neglect that, then it is good paper for non-tech. Okay, there is no problem. Easy level of questions was easy if you compare last time. That is NIC paper, NILET NIC paper. So level of questions was very easy for non-tech section. Now let's come to technical. So whatever I told you in the mathematics, they will ask you 9 to 10 questions. They already asked 9 to 10 questions. No problem in that, right? Then in the core section, they focus more on communication this time, which was expected. It is not like that. Okay, from EDC again expected 4 questions, less question as compared to other subjects. Then majority they focus here, which is unexpected. That is 8085, 8086 and 8051. Okay. So what they did basically this year, for STA they asked 8085 and 8086 question, and for scientist way they asked 8085 and 8051. Okay. Now what thing happened that in our mini test and mock test, I neglect 8086 because I feel that not to overburden you guys, because lots of things are there to remember. Okay, I am just included 808, 8051, 8085 and 8051 questions, and in mini test, last mini test also of microcontroller 8051, one question directly they copy paste. Okay, I will show you in the scientist B section. But still 8086, if you neglect these 3 questions, okay, then whole paper was easy. There is no problem in that, and according to student also, paper was easy to moderate. Okay, so there is no problem in paper. Then signal system 8 questions, control system less question this time. Data electronics always okay 9 questions, which is very heavy. 7 always analog electronics, good amount of question. COA 3 questions, okay, so it's fair for all. And the last is your network theory, which is 7 questions. Okay, overall paper level easy to moderate. Anyone can easily score here above 100. There is no problem. Okay, because in the whatever responses I got for STA paper, okay, 60% of the responses are between 90 to 100. This is the sure thing. Okay, so cutoff will be surely between 90 to 100 for open category, I am telling you. So this is the thing, right? For STA, definitely I will tell you the estimate cutoff only. There is no need to worry. And now I will discuss the categorized cutoff. Earlier I was thinking to share the range, but I feel that instead of sharing the range, okay, I will give you one number, so that people above the number can make their planning and people below the number can prepare for next exam. Okay, this is the whole purpose of the video. Now we will start our categorized cutoff. So first I will start with open category. So for open, if you have 96 above marks, then you can be relaxed. Okay, your chances of selection is maximum if you have 96 marks above. Okay, 14 vacancies was there for open. Then for OBC, if you score 87 above, then you can be free or relaxed. Okay, no need to worry because your chance of selection will get maximum. No need to worry in that. Then EWS 88 above. Okay, for EWS 88 above, and for ST 75 above. Okay, so this is the expected cutoff for ECE ST paper. Now those who secure less marks as compared to this, okay, definitely you will wait for the result, but till then start preparation for other exams from today. Okay, and if you have 80 below score, strictly 80 below score in ST paper, then it's over. Okay, means there is very less chance that you will get definitely into merits, because lots of score are there between 90 to 100. Okay, that's why don't keep your hope with 80 score of 80 marks, 80 85. If you are from ST, then okay. Then if you are from open, definitely it is not possible to make it. So it's better to prepare for next exam. Okay, and those who already score this much marks, okay, 90 above, 87 above, 88 above, 75 above, so congratulations, you guys deserve it. Okay, because you perform very well. Now I will recommend you to start preparation for next exam also. Okay, because see what happened, that if you are confirmed, your selection is confirmed, but still joining process we don't know about it. Okay, because the last year process is still going on. Okay, just think about that. It's already 1 year past, but still process is going on. That's why don't depend on this. If you secure the seat, it's okay, there is no problem. Prepare for other exams, okay, and just try to get best. I will just recommend you this. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt, those who score less, more, just feel free to ask me in the Instagram or on Telegram. Okay, now just EC Scientist B paper we will discuss. Okay, so first we will discuss about total vacancies. Let's quickly recap the vacancies what we have, and based on that, in what ratio they will call for the interview, because for Scientist B written plus interview is there. Okay, I already told you. So for open 6 vacancies is there, and they will call 18 candidates. So for one seat 3 candidates will fight. Okay, OBC 2 candidate, they will call 6 candidate. EWS 1 seat, 3 candidate they will call for the interview, and same for the ST, that is 1 seat, and they will call 3 candidate. Okay, so EC people got this year vacancy was approximately 8, 9, 10 vacancies. Okay, EC people got, so less, but still group A post, that's why it is good. And this time it is less because for NILET METI it is only 7 vacancies. Okay, the next part, which is very much important, that is paper level. So one table is available in front of you, so you can see that table. For Scientist B, again in the non-technical section, general awareness section is totally missing. Okay, there is no general awareness section, which is quite disappointing because lots of effort was there. Okay, definitely I know those who prepare current affairs from January to December. Okay, don't worry, it will not get wasted. Definitely you will use that in next upcoming exams. Okay, no need to worry about that. But still we can't do anything because they know they already mentioned that, and they have every right to just neglect any section. Okay, so we can't do anything. Otherwise, paper of non-technical section was easy. There is no problem in quant, reasoning. Okay, and 3 to 4 questions was from English. So they included English also this time, which is unexpected. So if you neglect this 3 to 4 question of English, then overall paper is easy of non-technical section. There is no problem. Now we will come to technical section, which is very good paper. Okay, see, question was easy, but if you consider that 3 hours, that 180 minutes, then definitely it is very challenging to attempt all those questions, because this time paper was lengthy. Okay, so this is the difference between the last year paper and this year paper, that this time they make EC paper lengthy, and in that also the major focus is on 8085, 8051, 8086 they don't ask for Scientist B, but 8051, and it's good that in the last mini test 8051 question directly they copy paste, okay, from our mini test. That is good. So that 1 marks, I hope those who already subscribed to our test series, those who you guys got that 1 extra marks. So this is the question directly over from mini test. Okay, now for mathematics, I already told you 9 to 10 questions they will ask, and they already asked 9 questions. Fair, there is no problem in mathematics. This is unexpected that this time in from core, okay, as compared to communication, just 2 question difference is there, but still EMT they preferred, and from core subjects total 18 marks. Definitely EDC always is of less priority. Okay, as I shared this thing in strategy also, only 3 questions was there. So if you neglect these 3 questions also, because these 3 questions are, I guess, from this your last chapter of EDC, that is your photolithography and your CMOS process, like that. So if you neglect these 3 questions and challenging questions from not from digital, easy question digital, control system also easy. See, easy plus lengthy. Okay, means you can solve this, but it will take time. This is the thing for it, which is different in this year paper of Scientist B. Signal and network have 7 questions. Okay, then this is also one unexpected thing, that from COA 7 questions they asked. Okay, so those who didn't prepare COA well, those I hope that you all attempted very less questions after that, or no questions. But this is the very big advantage I can say for Scientist B they give. So this is the overall paper. Unexpected little things are unexpected, because these are the things which are unexpected from this, but still overall paper is moderate. I will say moderate only. Okay, if you compare with the time, otherwise it's easy paper, no problem in that. But to attempt that paper in those time frame is very difficult. Okay, or I can say moderate. And also those students who send me responses, they also feel same, that paper was linear and moderate. Okay, now we will discuss about the cutoff video. So I will again share not the range, because I will share only one number, okay, which will useful, I guess, as compared to range. That's why. So let's start with first open, then OB, EWS and ST. So in open also, as same as last year, that is 76. Those who are already attempted, or those who got final score 76 above, yes, you can prepare for the interview, there is no problem in that. Okay, then for OBC 70 above, then EWS 74 above, and for ST category 66 above. So if you have this much score, then you can prepare for the interview, there is no problem. Okay, now those who have little less marks than that is 74, 75, or I can say for open 73 also, just wait for the result. But till then you can prepare for other exams, and if you got this means call for the interview, then after result you can prepare for the interview. Okay, you will get 2 to 3 months to prepare for the interview. Our interview guidance program will be there for NIELIT. Okay, just wait for the announcement. I will make one video for NIELIT STQC interview preparation and your interview guidance program. This year also we got one selection in BRC 2021. Okay, I hope those who are connected to Telegram already saw, right? So I am also expecting from you guys, those who already just pass this basic cutoff, expected cutoff, just start your preparation for interview. 2 to 3 months you will get, and this is a very much important post. Group A post is there. Also fill NIELIT MITI form. Okay, you are getting this much marks. Okay, it's okay, there is no problem, but do not neglect NIELIT MITI form, which is of Scientist B. Okay, compulsory fill that form, because you don't know, because 15% weightage is there for interview, and this thing is not in our hand. That's why I'm telling you, right? So this 85% you got good marks, there is no problem in that, you perform well. Okay, now let's make target of this 15%. And those who have less score, no need to worry, next opportunity is there for you guys of NIELIT MITI, and also lots of opportunity will be there. Okay, just make your preparation well, just revise continuously. Okay, focus on your weak topic. Now you have NIELIT paper, analyze your weak points, just identify whether you perform mistake, whether in accuracy you fail problem, whether in your speed you fail problem. Okay, just I analyze the things, identify, note down the things, then only you will get to improve yourself, right? So keep improving and keep revising, lots of opportunity there. Stay connected to Apna Government Job, and definitely you will get your dream job. Okay, if you feel anything, just feel free to comment or feel free to ask me on Instagram. Definitely I will help you. WhatsApp number also you have. Okay, all the best.